In this screencast, we will demonstrate how to assign Bobs and playlists to Blackboard 3.0. The first workflow is assign content through the Build Content. After navigating to the desired course, select Build Content and find PlayPosit in the list. Click on Set Link or enter PlayPosit to launch PlayPosit. Instructor can then click Add New Bob to start building a Bob in the Bob Designer, or click on the Blackboard icon in front of the Bob to assign the Bob to Blackboard. If playlists are included in the license, instructors can also navigate to the playlist page with a sidebar to create a new playlist or assign a playlist. After clicking on the Blackboard icon, please select the learner experience as self-paced learning or synchronized live broadcast, and click Link to assign the Bob. To adjust the due date for the assignment, expand the drop-down menu and select Edit. Then adjust the settings for the assignment as needed. To view learner's progress, click on the assignment to open it and select the monitor to enter PlayPosit's monitor page. On this page, instructors can see learner responses to the Bob's interactions and adjust points for learners if needed. After updating learner's grade, please click on Sync Grade to send the updated grade to Blackboard. The second way to assign the content to Blackboard is by using the web link. Please note that this workflow does not support course copy. Click on Build Content and select Web Link. Enter the name for the assignment. Enter the PlayPosit LTI launch URL into the URL section, and check the List to a Tool Provider option. Configure the other settings for the assignment. Click the newly created link and click Set Link or enter PlayPosit to launch PlayPosit. Instructors can then click on the Blackboard icon to link the Bob or playlist. After clicking on the Blackboard icon, please select the learner experience as self-paced learning or synchronized live broadcast, and click Link to assign the Bob. To view learner's progress, click on the assignment to open it and select the monitor to enter PlayPosit's monitor page. The third result is to assign content through the Rich Text Editor. Please note that this is a non-graded workflow, and the Bob assigned with this workflow will not pass back learner's grade to the gradebook. Click on Build Content and select a content type that supports the Rich Text Editor. Click on the Add Content button on the Rich Text Editor and select PlayPosit. Click Set Link or enter PlayPosit to launch PlayPosit. Instructors can then click on the Blackboard icon to link a Bob or playlist. After clicking on the Blackboard icon, please select the learner experience as self-paced learning or synchronized live broadcast, and click Link to assign the Bob. Click on Submit to complete the settings. The assigned content will be displayed as a hyperlink, and learner can launch the PlayPosit player by clicking on it. To view learner's progress, click on the hyperlink to open it, and select the monitor to enter PlayPosit's monitor page.